RX Safety is invested in the future of manufacturing with a new facility to increase production, decrease wait times, and provide better service to its customers. Our investment has gone into a brand new line of robotic lens processing equipment. Fully automated, state-of-the-art systems built by Statislow, a global leader in lens technology. These CNC freeform lens processing systems are not only extremely precise, but also eco-friendly, minimizing waste while maximizing efficiency. And it's all powered by our upgraded AI software, which now integrates directly with our website and is completely paperless throughout the facility. The moment you place your order, it's in our lab ready for production. This end-to-end automation reduces labor, shortens turnaround times, and keeps prices competitive without compromising on quality. From digital freeform lenses to complex prescriptions, RX Safety is equipped to deliver unmatched speed, accuracy, and value. RX Safety, bringing the future of optical manufacturing to your eyewear today.